Hey guys, this is Sal here to show you a repair on ice dispenser on a refrigerator. In this case it's a General Electric, but it doesn't really matter, the principle is the same. Now for repair I mean this problem that maybe some of you have had, that the ice dispenser tends to ice up. In this case there's not a lot because I removed it a while ago, so you see all this ice that builds up in the chute that goes down to the ice dispenser itself. And you ask yourself, why does that happen? Well, I have my theory, not validated by a refrigerator repair person, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. What happens is, especially in humid areas like where I live in Texas, you have up here, I don't know if you can see it, I'll have to turn on the light. I'm not sure how to do this on this phone, but up here you have what's called a flapper valve. Can you see this? Probably not, but inside here there is a flapper valve. A flapper valve is a flap that opens and closes to let the ice out. When you push on this to dispense ice, it will open the valve, the flapper. Ice will fall down, being pushed by the mechanism inside. And then once you're done, it will close automatically to keep not only the cold in, that is, it's not like having an open refrigerator door, but it also avoids air going into the refrigerator. And that is what causes that ice buildup that I just showed you, so that frost buildup. Humid air goes in because the valve has remained open, and it condenses and freezes, and over time it builds up and all your ice gets stuck there. So now I will show you how to take this apart and what to do to fix this. So here we go. I'm going to try now holding the phone while I'm recording this and showing you how to do this. So one of the most difficult things of all this, it's a very simple fix actually, is getting this template off. And this is just a decorative device because it kind of hides everything behind it. In my case, it's pressed on. Others may have a screw-on design or something. Ours is pressed on. So I'm taking an object such as this chisel, which is wide enough, it doesn't create a big dent. I'm doing it from the bottom, so if I do dent it, you don't see it as much because it's underneath, and unless it's up. Oh, there you go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And now I just pry it off like I just did, and there you go. And this is now the next step. Here is again the device that dispenses water or crushed ice or ice, and this is the control panel. So let's take the control panel off, which in this case, and again, each fridge may be slightly different. I don't know. I don't mind. This, I just pry this off. Be careful. Don't never push too hard because these things are just held by these plastic lips here that will eventually break if you push too much. And in this case, I have all these cables holding it up. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take a pause right now so I can then take those off, and because I need 2 hands. So hold on just a minute.